Hey, what's happening, guys? I'm here. I got a 2011 Honda Civic, and I'm going to attempt to fix the third brake light. It's not working. It was working once in a while, and then it stopped working. So I'm going to try to attempt it. I've seen a couple videos, and I want to create my own video just in case somebody needs help in installing this light. I have never done it, but the other video looks simple. They actually don't have the beginning of the replacement. They took it apart and then they showed the video, which was great, but I want to show you all the way from the beginning. So I'm working with a 2011 Honda Civic on the third brake lamp, so stay tuned. You're gonna have to bring the seats down, so I gotta pull the lever in the trunk. It's got some levers in the trunk. I gotta kind of push the seat forward, and then the seating is this one, and I ordered it from Auto Rock. They said it was gonna be here in a couple days. It actually got here like in a day, so that was pretty cool. The tools we're gonna be using is a Phillips, from what I seen in the video, and just a pair of needle nose or pliers to get to the clips. So I have to. I want to test this light before I put it on. So it's gonna be. See this wire going in here? It's gonna be this plug here. I'm gonna disconnect it. I'm gonna try to hold my phone. And you know what? Let me see if I can put it down. And then I'm gonna take my new light and plug it into this one. Sorry for the video. I don't know if you can see that there. Once I got it plugged, I'm gonna go open the front and hit the brake. See if it see if the light works. So that's the light that works. Let's take it apart. Back of the car now, and we're gonna have to remove this case, this cover here. And from what I seen in the other video, because he didn't show how to remove it, you see these little dents? That's where the clips are. It's got 1, 2, 3, 4 clips. So basically, we're gonna push up. I don't know if I gotta remove that. No, that's just that. I don't have to take that off. I might have to move the seat belt. So I'm gonna prop this up, and I'm gonna try to pull it and prop it up, and then you'll see what I'm gonna do next. And I kind of push. I gotta lay down here, and I kind of push this up. You see how it came loose? So now I gotta work it up all the way up. And I gotta take this seat belt out of here. Into there. Like I said, I'm sorry for the video. I don't know if I can put the phone here. Really want to show you how to do this. Let's see if I can see it over here. Let's see something. Alright, so I'm gonna try to grab this so I can put the phone somewhere around here so you can see what the heck I'm doing here. I want you to see, so you can guys do it yourselves. After I got that, there's gonna be 2 more clips here, one here, one here. So we're gonna see. One of them popped out. And then I gotta pull it back now. There we go. And just pull back. And then it's gonna be 2 clips left behind. Oh, I gotta take the wire off. Okay. I'm pulling the wire. So just be careful with the subwoofer. Ouch. I'm sorry. I gotta take where the heck is the wire right here? I gotta take this wire off. That's the actual wire. Might have to take that off. Put that through the hole. And then we'll come back. Sorry for the camera. I'm just trying to do the best I can here to help you guys out. And then looks like the clips are still on here. Hopefully we didn't break anything. And then the only 2 clips that are missing is these. So I don't know if I should remove them. I think I gotta remove them. So like that. Anyway, I'll do that later. Now let's now the light is here. It's got 1 screw, 2 screw, and we'll pop it out. These little 2 screws off, just make sure you don't lose them. I think you gotta take these screws off too. Yep, let's take the subwoofer screw, let's take all those nuts out. And then you got 2 clips here where you're gonna push with a pair of pliers and you pop the light out. Take the screws off. This just comes off. And now you got these 2 clips here, you push them in. You gotta push them in, I guess, as you're pulling the light out. So I'm gonna need my hand. So 1 and 2. You squeeze them in and you pop the light out. There we go. We got the old light out. And then there goes the new one. Basically, make sure that the brackets, that this goes down like this. And they should pop in. Boom. 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 Honda wanted to charge me almost $300 to do this. I hope it's working out for you guys. Now I gotta put the little bracket back on, and then the 2 little screws in the other screw. The light is in. Literally took me about, I gotta say, like 15 minutes, even if that. I just gotta put everything back. I gotta remove them clips. And the little bracket that was holding the wire, you can see it now here. You can pop it off because the new light brings one. Brings a new one. You just push it in. So I'm just gonna remove this one. Maybe save it. There we go. Dropped. And now time to do this backwards now. To put the cover, I gotta remove that clip over there, all the way down there, and the one in the back, and put them back on here before I do anything. And then feed the wire back through that hole. See this hole here? And you should be good. 1, 2, where the other one is? There we go. 3 and 4. You got to get them out of the back. So now that they're removed, it's time for me to put this cover on and fish the wire down and see what happens. What I did was I took this, I slid it back, being careful, and then I kind of pushed it here. And then it's still loose because these are still loose. I gotta get that seatbelt out of there. Make sure that all 4 of these popped. That came back out. So I don't know if the clip. I might have to take it back off. Looks like that. But they're still on here. This one kind of bent. This one's still on. I think that one broke a little bit. But you what we're gonna do will be we're gonna work with what we got. Still cheaper than paying a Honda dealer. Let's see if I can put the phone here. I know you guys are gonna crack on me. The phone keeps falling. Well, at least I'm trying, right? I'll show you guys what I did. And I gotta swing the wire. That's probably what happened. Forgot the wire. So I line it up with this thing. Push it down. And it's not to say that it's super hot today. I don't think they clipped on. This is a pain in the ass. And the ASS. Excuse my French. I don't talk French. I'm not sure why it's giving me a hard time. The clips aren't on there. I'm gonna have to. Hey guys, I'm all sweaty. It's like super has like a heat wave, and I'm doing this. So the light is on. I just gotta. Whew. Man, I'm sorry for this video. This is gonna suck. But at least I have the idea. And it goes there. And the thing plugs. See if it works. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Sorry about the camera. It was being by myself. I'm here at a park. Only thing you would need is a Phillips head and like I said, a piece of needle nose. This is a video for the 2011 Honda Civic third lamp. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Sorry for the video. Like I said, it's just me. I'm just trying to help somebody out there because I know these YouTube videos are very helpful. Thank God for YouTube, and thanks to all those people that post videos to help other people. Actually, this job that I just did here, they wanted to charge me, it was like $230 or something dollars. I can't remember the ballpark. That's just a ballpark that Honda wanted to charge me. I got the part at Auto Rock. They shipped it pretty quick, and I'm not advertising here. I'm not getting paid from Auto Rock. They're a good company. They shipped me the exact light that I needed, and they shipped it. I think it got here in one day, and it says it was supposed to get here. I ordered it Friday. Today's Saturday. It said it was supposed to be here Tuesday, and it got here today. 1 day shipping, less than 24 hours. So I hope you enjoyed it. Hit thumbs up if you liked the video, and I would try to keep doing more videos on things that cars need. Whatever I do, I'm trying to put it on a video. Take care.